Welcome back to Asunlocker solution. We are going to help you how you can remove the Samsung FRP Remove service, how to use. First of all, you have to download the VPN, Redmine VPN. We will give you the proper information, download link, username and password. Download after install and can click the on and you can see the join network. Use our username and password to join. Join after you can see your IP on the VPN. And now join after download the USB redirector version 1.9.7. If you have already down on your PC, no need to download again. Just open and enter our IP. We are going to download to show you. Click on download. Download it. We are moving the file on desktop. Open USB redirector. Click on next button. Enter our IP. You can see our IP 26.88.86.104. Properly enter our IP. Do not use a space front and letter. Click next. You can see the connected IP. Now connect your phone on the normal mode if you already connected. So reconnect USB. You can see the step 2. You can see we can see your phone and we have connected your phone. Then you can see the step 3. Thanks for watching my video and I hope this video will be helpful for you.